Hey, I'm Joe.
And I'm Rob, and we work on tools to help apps and games grow successful, sustainable businesses on Google Play.
In this Play Academy study guide video series, we're going to cover topics that align with our Play Store listing certificate. This includes how to think about mobile marketing on Google Play and the fundamental tools required to accelerate user growth.
Some key tools that can help you grow your user base include using custom store listings features in Google Play Console. We'll also cover how to think about and conduct store listing experiments. This includes how to run A/B tests on graphics, icons, and text.
Did you say store listing experiments?
How did you change your outfit so quickly?
I heard you mention store listing experiments. So as part of this video series, we'll take you inside the experimentation lab.
In the lab, we'll cover how to conduct your own store listing experiments, including different use cases for each experiment type, all to help you increase installs and retention.
Keep watching to learn more.